Every journey tells a story, but only some cameras can capture it in true detail. This is the DDPAI 4K Dash Cam, a dual-lens system built for drivers who see more than just the road ahead. Let's see if it delivers clarity worth the drive. Right out of the box, the DDPAI looks premium, matte finish, compact form, and a lens that feels made for precision. It's designed to blend seamlessly with your car's interior while packing serious imaging power. Simple, sleek, purposeful. Setup is straightforward: mount, connect, power on. The dual-channel design covers 4K front and 1080p rear simultaneously, ensuring you never miss a moment, front or back. Everything syncs through the DDPAI app, where you can view, edit, and share instantly. In daylight, the 4K lens shines. Details are crisp: license plates, signs, reflections. Everything pops with cinematic sharpness. The Sony sensor and advanced image processing balance exposure beautifully, even in harsh sunlight. When the sun sets, the camera holds its ground. Thanks to wide dynamic range and noise reduction, night footage stays clear and realistic. Streetlights glow naturally, and darker areas retain detail instead of fading into shadows. The rear 1080p unit keeps pace: smooth exposure transitions, wide field of view, and great color consistency. Together, they form a complete record of your trip from every angle. The DDPAI app makes control intuitive. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you preview or download clips instantly, while GPS tagging tracks routes with precision. Loop recording, motion detection, and parking surveillance round out a feature set built for real-world reliability. After testing it on the road, it's clear the DDPAI 4K Dash Cam isn't just about recording, it's about storytelling. Sharp visuals, smart features, and dependable design make it a standout in its class. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip explorer, it's a camera that sees what you might miss. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cinematic review, hit like, subscribe for more tech journeys, and I'll see you on the next drive.